Kabocha. Japanese pumpkin is in season, so let's make some Kabocha Korokke with them. Japanese croquettes. I'll show you to make them. Let's get started. This is a half a kabocha here. Let's cut that in half for quarters. It's a bit hard to cut, so I recommend placing your knife where you want to cut. Make sure your hands are clear and give the back of the knife a thwack. Remove the seeds with a spoon. The seeds you could save, soak and roast just like you would pumpkin seeds, but today I'll toss them. Cut off the stem ends, and let's cut into chunks. Cut into even-sized pieces, shapes don't matter. The green skin is still on, you could peel it, but after a quick steam the skin will fall off very easily. Let's steam for about 7 to 8 minutes or until soft. We'll come back halfway through and check on them by poking them with a fork. If they hang on like this, they still need a little more time. Once they are soft, remove. Now the skin just peels right off with a mere touch of a spoon. They are hot, so use a paper towel to hold the kabocha pieces. Don't be like me. Once they are peeled, give them a mash. Add a tablespoon of butter, a tablespoon and a half of sugar, and a tablespoon of soy sauce. Give that a mix until it's a creamy paste, kind of like this. Let's set that aside and let it cool. Next, let's put our breading station together. We'll use 2 dishes and a bowl. 1 dish for flour, the bowl for a couple of beaten eggs, and 1 dish for panko. Before we run the kabocha through the breading station, we'll need to form some patties. So let's get out a tray, spread the kabocha mix out flat as evenly as possible. With this amount of kabocha, we will divide the mixture into 6 pieces. Use a knife to define the lines a little more clearly. Grab a portion, form all the portions into balls like this, 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 and this. You may need to dust your hands with a little flour to keep them from getting too sticky. Before putting the kabocha through the breading station, give it a little smush. Then flour the patties. Dip them in egg, then coat in breadcrumbs. Continue this process until all the korokke are covered. Make sure to wash your breaded hands. Okay, we're almost there, let's just clean the mess. I'm going to place them on a plate to give them a little space so they keep their shape. Also, get a rack ready for their landing spot. Always good to be ready before getting the oil hot. Get your fry oil hot. This is oil I filter and save. Supplement with fresh oil if necessary. Keep track of the oil temperature. I'm aiming for about 160 degrees Celsius. Drop the korokke in one by one. I will do 3 at a time to not overcrowd. Make sure they are not sticking and give them a flip about halfway through. After 3 to 4 minutes or until golden brown, remove and set on your rack. Continue frying until all your korokke are ready. To plate, make a little mountain of shredded cabbage. Lean them against each other and sauce with a little tonkatsu sauce. Those are really good. So there we have it, Kabocha Korokke. Hope you give them a try at home. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and check out this recipe next. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.